In a place in Transylvania, whose name we don't want you to forget, a project is born that recovers flavors, sensations, and values. Julia Muresh creates a gastronomic cider made with apple varieties native to the Carpathians. Forged from wild varieties with great organoleptic properties created by nature itself and recovered through grafting. Today, these almost forgotten varieties are cultivated on our plantations with great respect for the land, tradition, and the surrounding environment. Fermented with patience and without artifice, this cider does not sugarcoat reality, it reveals it. His name is Pedro, but it's not a name, it's a statement. Pedro is fresh, dry, with a light citrus note. Made for brave palates, for those who don't follow the beaten path. Julia Muresh creates a drink for the table, to be enjoyed and shared with others. Designed to pair with signature cuisine, with bold and demanding culinary offerings for restaurants committed to quality, authenticity, and differentiation. A noble drink. The European market, and especially the younger generations, seeks authentic, noble, sustainable products, made with respect for the environment and consumer health. Demand for artisanal and low-alcohol beverages is growing. Consumers are looking for identity and sustainability. This is just the beginning. Julia Muresh is uniquely positioned to lead this growing category because of its powerful history, a unique recipe and raw materials in Europe, and a committed team. Our first product, Pedro, is already on the market and has enjoyed great initial success. 5,600 trees planted using classic, certified organic cultivation. Trees grafted onto 111 rootstocks for slow and strong growth. With a long production life, we already have all the infrastructure and resources necessary for growth. We want to scale, expand production, strengthen distribution and sales, and reach more restaurants. We're looking for investors who are also allies and share our vision. Those who believe in what we do. Investors who want to invest in a product with soul, deep roots, and international reach. Because Julia Muresh and her Pedro cider, crafted in Transylvania, is more than just a drink. A glass of Pedro cider is synonymous with courage, good taste, elegance, sacrifice, and perseverance. Invest and build in something valuable, lasting, and different. At Julia Muresh, we want to continue where we started, on the right path. Flavors of the future that are already present. Like Don Quixote, Pedro doesn't adapt to the world. He challenges it. Will you join the project?